Presido Buhari don tell AU make dem do something about military pipo when dey use force take over government. Presido Buhari of Nigeria don tell African Union say make dem do something quick about how military pipo dey use force take power for Africa. E tok dis one for one closed door meeting with AU Peace and Security Council for Addis Ababa. Presido say e no happy at all as military pipo dey use force take over power for some African countries. Presido tok say AU must do something sharply to stop dis wahala. Dem come re-elect Nigeria for AU Peace and Security Council for another 3 years to represent West Africa. Na only Nigeria be di country wey dey di council back to back since di council start. Presido Buhari come still meet with Palestine Prime Minister Mohammed Hitiyah. Di Prime Minister come tell Presido about di Middle East and wahala with Israel. Matthew Ajakaye, TMC TV News.